Hey, how's everyone doing out there? Got an unboxing from JMBullion.com. So, what you're watching right now, I'm trying to get the box open. It was pretty tightly packed. Really good box. It's my first time buying from JMBullion, and I'm really impressed with the shipping. It's pretty good hassle to get the box open. Good thing I had a box cutter, because I don't think I could have got it open without it. Or maybe some scissors. As you can see inside, it's a lot of styrofoam to keep your package protected. It's a really tight box too. They really do a good job to make sure your package is kept tight. There was plenty of these styrofoam thingies inside of it. It was on both ends. The actual silver was in the middle of the box, so as you can see, it was tons of them, and that's a good thing. I know my package is safe the whole way through. Definitely don't have to worry about any type of damages. Not with a box like this. I mean, it was a really good, tightly packed box. As you can see on the inside, I got my receipt, some more styrofoam, and my silver was in the middle. Now here's the box. After I finally got the silver out, you can see it comes in the bubble wrap. As you can see, there's more styrofoam on the inside. I got my latex gloves on instead of cotton. I do got cotton gloves, but I prefer to use latex instead. And just to show you the box, you can't even squeeze the box. I mean, here I'm squeezing it with my fingers. Then I switch over to my whole hand. As you can see, all the tape makes it a really tight box. So yeah, they really did a good job. I mean, there's nothing inside, and you can see the box isn't even caving in. So really impressed with them. So on to the actual silver. Now a couple of things I forgot to mention. They also put JMB on the box, so unless you actually know what that means, that's the only way you're gonna actually know what's inside the box. But on to the silver. I did a special clip to show y'all what the silver looks like. The video has been edited to make the silver look, how do you say it, more clearer, I guess. I did some saturation editing. So here we go. Enjoy.
Galaxy, planet Starbucks.